Okay, so we are back and we are looking at this picture here now. So, turn that part off. So if we look at the picture, um, you're going to notice right here that this picture starts out with a chromosome, which is tightly packed DNA. And when it goes to copy itself, it starts to unwind or become uncoiled. So we can see here, okay, here it is, it's becoming uncoiled. And you can see your twisted ladder, your double helix, all that stuff, and it's all normal. Well, then suddenly, and I don't want you to worry about how it knows, you have a molecule that comes in and gets it to split. So we're going to split the ladder because this thing needs to make a copy of itself because it's going to go into a brand new cell. A new cell's being born and it needs a copy of the DNA. So there's a little molecule that says, hey, DNA, split. And so here it goes. It splits into this strand up here. And then this strand down here is down here. So you have this DNA suddenly all coiled, split. So what happens over here is you see these free nucleotides? Well, green is cytosine, yellow is thymine, red is adenine. So they're going to come up and line up right here. See, here come the new ones. They're going to match up with the base pair that they're supposed to match up with. So you can see already right here, they've already been matching up a new DNA, a whole complete twisted double helix has been made. And these guys are going to keep coming and shooting in here and lining up. And these guys are going to come around here and they're going to line up with the correct base pair. So this right here is going to be one whole new strand of DNA. And then down here, this other guy who used to be matched up over here, but they split. Now you're going to have new nucleotides right here coming in and lining up where they're supposed to be to make this new double helix strand. So you can see this was the original down here, and this is going to be up here, the new piece. And together, those are going to make one whole new DNA strand. And then up here, the same thing. This was your original. You got these new nucleotides lining up, matching up. So notice blue and green go together, yellow and red go together, blue and green. We got another blue and green. We got yellow and red right here about to match up. So this is how DNA copies itself. And so all your cells, you don't have, cells, different cells, skin cells, thyroid cells, your heart cells, muscle cells, all of those live only a certain amount of time and you need new ones. And so when you get new cells, you get this DNA replication or DNA copies itself so it can go into the brand new cell and tell the cell what to do. So that is this idea of the picture. So what I just want you to do on this one, I just drew a straight line. What I want you to do on this one is just write 2 sentences about that picture. Doesn't matter what you write about it, has to be about the picture. But you could type in something like the nucleotides match up according to base pairing. Or there is a molecule that tells the DNA to split, it's about to copy itself. Or you could say you have an original strand of DNA and a new strand of DNA in the actual brand new copy